Good afternoon, internet, and let's get today started. Alright guys, I got my, not breakfast shake, but a shake of BCAAs, and I got my Trick cereal, and I just finished editing. I'm gonna put the video up now, and I'm catching up on other vloggers that I watch. Alrighty. I don't know what I did yesterday, so I'm gonna have to watch through it real quick to see what to title it. Right back. So, turns out I actually don't have work today, which is cool. I'm trying to think of what I want to go do today, because I'm pretty bored. I want to check my bank account and see how much I have and poop like that. Crap like that. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm just relaxing, looking at YouTube videos and watching, looking at the most subscribed vloggers. Whoa, that's about way more. Anyways, I'm just looking at people that have million subscriber hits. I'm wondering where CTFXC is on here. Hold on, I got this. I'll find him. I don't see him on here. I got this, hold on, I'll find him. CTFXC, where are you? He has 1 million subscribers. Should be in the 1.5, 1.4 area. Unless he dropped subscribers recently, which I don't think so. I can't find him on here. I think this is old. Yeah, it's in 2012 report. Whatever. I'm thinking of new channel names for my channel. I currently have Life on the Internet as the one right now. I'm thinking of living the high life. Something cool. Something cool. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Everyone has their one branded name, like CTFXC, It's Judy's Life, Everyday Gym, stuff like that. Everyone has a branded name, and I don't know what mine is gonna be. Exactly. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to wrap the cord around my pinky. And my dad is gonna get the Battlefield game, possibly. It's really cheap. It's like 40 bucks, and we're gonna play it together. What was I thinking? Crap. Oh yeah, branded names. If anyone has any name suggestions for my name, my name is Ridge, R-I-D-G-E, right, W-R-I-G-H-T. I'll put that right here on my face. If anyone has any vlog channel name suggestions with according to my name or anything like that, with my name in it or whatever, just anything good in general, let me know, in the comments. That's seriously really helpful. Alright guys, I'm gonna do some laundry. Let's see, the hat's fine. The shirt needs to be washed. Just do this. Then I have my work clothes, undershirt and pants and crap. I gotta go wash that. Look at that. I got a little poncho or something, I don't know. Alright, scarf. Thingamajigger. Alright, I'll be right back. I can't do this one-handed. Are you a big boy? You got raccoon eyes. You're a raccoon. You know that? Except the opposite. Raccoons have black eyes and a brown body. I mean a gray body. How you go, big boy?
You see how pretty that dog is? He looks like he's got a blue black color.
Yeah, he almost looks like he's navy.
and
This one's all black.
I don't know. When his hair falls out though, he's really gray.
Oh, he had a white hair in his mane, but it fell out already.
Really?
Yeah, he has one little single white hair. But it fell out.
Well, he's got a
Well, part
when
of it
his
was me.
hair comes out,
Part of it was me trying to
it doesn't
single
look
it out
as
and then
black.
just
It looks gray, like a gray blue when you pull his fur.
Yeah. He's all black. He's black though, dark black.
Yeah, but there's a blue black. There's
Yeah.
There's blue in black.
Tapping my shoulder.
You know what I mean?
Blue and black.
Isn't blue in what's the other color?
Navy. You mean?
Huh?
You're talking about navy. Oh, this is what I look forward to in the day. Right here.
That's when he lays in my bed. Mama's girl love. I love that.
And Winter hurt her paw.
I always love her. Yeah.
Look at this one.
I always love her. Did your paw hurt, baby?
He's deep breathing because no one will be quiet. You need to chill out, buddy. We can talk if we want to. Tickle? A tickle? Ooh, he's a tickle you. Alright, I'll stop doing that. Alright, let's go. Going on a late night Kroger run. What? Let me see.
Don't film me.
It's my vlog. Where'd it go?
I went under the sofa.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright. I'd take you with me, but you can't come in the store. We'll be right back, buddy. Let's go. Turn this light back on. Oh! What? What the fuck?
There's a shortage or something on these damn lights.
Oh, this is broken.
That one must be too.
Try that one.
Oh, it's working now.
Oh, no, okay, that one's broken. Alright, let's go.
Oh, this one's working.
I'm gonna lock it, but I'm gonna... I have the key. Alright, we're going to Kroger. But no one really... I mean, like, they stare for like 5 seconds, then that's it.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, if I could give you the middle finger, I would. But I can't, because I'm too busy talking to camera. Yeah. I think he just left it on. Whoops.
Walking past the car.
We're walking past our car. We could have been walking past that car and be like, look at that piece of shit. And then be like, oh, that's our car. Alright guys, you all probably can't see me right now, but we're gonna get drinks from this gas station I know, and Jada just went inside with my keys. So we're gonna get drinks from the gas station real quick, even though it's 11:30 and I gotta be home in 30 minutes because of curfew. Did you get it? Oh, she got it. Okay. Hey, she got in. Alright. Well, I might end the vlog a little later. What happens if I push my horn? Does it still honk? Yeah, it does honk. I did that in a recent vlog. I did that. Never do that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my light off before my battery dies in my car. So, see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, me and JJ got our drinks. She's just grabbing some extra stuff in there. I don't know if they've got what she needs, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my car while she does that. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay, alright. Shh, see, this gas station is like really bright. Did they have them?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that smile on that face. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Hold on. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and please subscribe. It would mean everything to me. I'm trying to skip an ad. I'm watching YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and end it pretty early because I gotta work tomorrow and I gotta get in bed now. So, good night guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog, I should say. And we're out. Good afternoon, internet. And today I'm gonna go to GameStop and buy a new video game because I'm bored as hell at home.